Chicken for them is okay because the chicken fillet is soft. So they still have their backup foods. They have their kibbles, dry food, flavor of chicken and liver. Good job, Millie. That's a good one, Mel. Yummy food. Well done, Bon Bon. That's it. Bon, you eat in here, Bon. It's okay, you don't need to hide. Sometimes Bon Bon, she hides the food somewhere. And then when the food's all gone and they wake up, there's no food yet. So they had to hunt them and search them where did they put, where did they hide it. So that's how they are. They are a hunter. Come on, Bon Bon. Mel is still eating, oh. Mel is tabat-chuchut na kay Kamel. Ika, poor baby man ni. Ay, tabat-chuchut naman tayo. Bon Bon. Oh, sorry, Bon. Doing business. She's having a wee. Yeah, she's having a wee. You finished now? Good job, Millie. Well done, girls. Bon, there's more food in the plate. Why are you having it under the... She eats behind the bed. For the bed. Their bed. Mel is alright. She eats next to the bowl. And you, Melly? Melly? Bon Bon? You done? Ay, well done. Melly as well is hiding the food. Bon Bon's hunting them and get it. She's getting the food of Melly's hiding. Come on, Bon. There's some more chicken. Chimkin, Bon. Come on. Come on. There's more chicken. She's coming. Okay, some more chicken. They have their fresh water as well. I'll change the water every day. So. Some more. Girls? Melly, where are you going? You looking for Bon Bon's... What is it? Bon. You're looking for Bon Bon chicken? There's more chicken here, Melly. Well done, Bon. You drink water. Drink some water, Bon. And Melly. Melly, drink water? No? Okay. Well done, girls. That's it. You hide your food now. Then you can get it later, yeah? They fall. I think they're full now. Because they're hiding them. When they're full, they start hiding the food, what's left in the bowl. Sometimes they don't do it, but usually they have to do it. Because that's how they are. They like hiding the food somewhere. But Bon Bon's following Melly's food. She's funny as Bon Bon. You're so quite funny, Bon. You're getting Melly's food. You done? You going to bed now, Melly? I don't know if I give them dry food. They're full already. Melly, Bon Bon, finish? Bon Bon, where are you? Oh, she's in the house. You finished now, girls? Finish? No? Okay. Bon, what are you doing? Sus, Ginoo. Nagkaliso, nagsulod sa... Kay Ginoo, Bon Bon, nagkaliso, nagsulod sa... Sulod sa medyas in Jesus' name, Bon Bon. What's that, Mel? Bon Bon, Mel.